Open Pixellab application in your mobile. Double-click on your text and write your text. Adjust the size. Click on A and go to Font option. Select this font. Click on this square option and then click on Image option. Choose your background. Now again, go to option and click on color. Here select your first color. Now go to mask option. Click on the middle point and drag to the up. There is 2 handle to adjust your curve. Now we will crop the text with mask. When you adjust your cropping point, enable your mask. Make 1 copy of your text. Place it on first text and adjust the gap. Now again go to mask. Click on this move option and move your mask. Select your second cropping point. After done, change the color. Now click on Layer option and hold the second layer and bring it down. Now make 1 more copy. Go to mask option and now click on rotate option. And rotate the 180 degree. Tap on mask and drag it to first cropping point. Now, change the color. Go to again layer option and third layer, bring it down. Go to layer and select third layer. Click on position and adjust your third layer. After the adjustment, go to Shadow. Opacity, 50, Blur Radius, 20, Offset X, 20, Offset Y, 22. Now go to Layer and select Second Layer. Go to Shadow and adjust the same size of shadow.
Lights and diamonds in your eyes. All this beauty made you blind. Dare yourself to stay and fight. Promises and pretty lies.
And do the same procedure with the third layer.